Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. I hope all is well. In this session, we will learn to draw the quadratic polynomial on graph, that is in rectangular coordinate system. So, I hope you all know about the quadratic polynomial. What are those? Those which are having degree of 2 are called quadratic polynomial. Degree is 2. For example, if I say polynomial fx is x square minus 2x plus 1. So this we've seen the degree is 2. So it's the quadratic polynomial. Alright, now we will proceed with one example. We will learn to draw the quadratic polynomial on graph paper. We are having one example, that is fx 3 minus 2x minus x square. It's a quadratic polynomial of variable x. So we will find the value of fx at various values of x. So let's see, if I say at x is equals to 0, what should be the value of fx? So we will find that if x0 means f0, so put value of x is equal to 0 in this equation. 3 minus 2, 0, 0 square is 3. So now at x is equals to 1, that is f1, that is the value. Put the value of x is to 1 in the equation, that is the, so that will be a 0. So at x equals to 1, the value of the polynomial is 0. So it is also the 0 of the polynomial. It is one of the zeros of the polynomial, right? Okay, now put x equals to minus 1, that is f minus 1. So what is the value of polynomial at x equals to minus 1? That is f minus 1 minus 1 square. So minus minus plus 3 plus 2 5, 5 minus 1 square is 1, it is 4, right? Okay, so find the value of polynomial at x equals to 2. Again do the same operation. 3 minus 2, 2 minus 2 the square, so it should be 4, it should be, I think it's minus 5. So calculate it on your notebook and check the result if you are getting the same or not, right? So at x equals to minus 2, what it is, so minus plus 4, that is minus 4, should be 4. Now it is 3. So if you find the value of fx at x equals to 3, if you do it by your own, you will get minus 12, and at x is equals to 3, that is, sorry, at x equals to minus 3, you will get 0. So it's the zeros of the polynomial. There are 2 zeros we are getting from our various assumed value of x. Now let's draw the graph. So it's basically just for your understanding. We will see actually the diagram, the graphical representation on the graph paper also. So here write the value of x, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. It's a positive x-axis and this is positive y-axis, this is negative and this is also negative. And here we write 2, 4, 6 is sufficient, and now minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10 and it's minus 12. So see, at x is equals to 0, y is 3, one coordinate is at this location. Now at x is equals to 1, y is 0. This is our second coordinates. And third, x is equals to minus 1, y is equals to 4. It should be at this place. And x equals to 2, y is equals to minus 5. So it should be at this location. And at x is equals to minus 2, y is equals to 3. X is equals to minus 2, y is, sorry, there is some mistake. See, third coordinate was our x equals to minus 1, y is equals to 4, x equals to 2, y is minus 5. It should be at this location. Okay, at x equals to minus 2, y is 3. It is at this place. Now at x equals to 3, y is minus 12. To get this location, right? Now at x equals to minus 3, y is 0. This is our last coordinate. Now if you try to draw it on the graph paper, see, to write one at this location. So our first, that is our second coordinate will be somewhere here. So now try to plot the graph. It will go like this. See, I have drawn it free-handedly, that's why it looks like this. So it is just for your understanding. Now if we see the actual graph, this is our actual graph. See here, we have seen the equation is 3 minus 2x minus x squared. I think this is the same equation. Yes. So from the equation, if you generalize the characteristics of the graph of the quadratic polynomial, we have seen the coefficient of x square is minus 1. Or negative. That means if you are getting the negative coefficient of x square, that means the parabola will open downwards. Open downwards. Right? See, it is opening like this in the downward direction. If you are getting the positive coefficient of x square, then it will appear like this. It will open upward. Okay, it is somewhat like U shape. It's an inverted U, right? And the vertex is minus 1 comma 4. The same vertex also we have, it is this coordinate. This is minus 1 comma 4. This is the vertex of the parabola. That is this. Now the parabola intersect the x-axis at two coordinates. So that means the polynomial has two distinct zeros or roots. We can call it as roots as well, right? That is at x is equals to minus 3 and at x is equals to 1, value of the parabola is 0. These are called the zeros of the polynomials, zeros or roots, right? I think this is sufficient for your class 10th examination purpose. I hope this will helpful for your preparation.